Hey, it's another day with me where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking the like button to this video, remember to subscribe. It will help me grow as a channel and would mean a lot to me. All right, today we are making a super healthy, hearty miso soup. All right, let's check out our ingredients. All right, first up, we need to boil our water. All right, now that our water is nicely boiled, we're going to add in our ingredients, starting with our red miso paste, followed by our bone broth. Now, with the bone broth, you can either use the powder like I'm using here, or if you want to use the liquid, just don't use any water and make sure you boil your bone broth on the stove before you get started. All right, now you want to give that a bit of a stir and add a little bit of salt if you want to. Now that that's stirred up and the red miso paste is nicely dissolved, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. And done. So there you have it, a beautiful hearty miso soup that took like 5 minutes to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.